Hello everyone, I'm Steve Ellis with J.P. King Auction Company and welcome to Paradise Landing, located in what's called Nashville's Big Backyard, just a few miles north of Clifton, Tennessee, on the beautiful Kentucky Lake, Tennessee River. July the 15th at 11 a.m. Central Time, J.P. King Auction Company will be conducting a live on-site auction with internet bidding as well on 22 waterfront lots. Each lot is approximately 1/2 acre. They're level. Each lot has water, electric, and some lots are going to be selling at incredibly low prices. So don't miss this opportunity. Go to jpking.com for more information, and we'll see you at the auction.